Hello guys, today we'll share an update of my TA04-Pro project. I have only managed to find the missing battery holder. It took me more 6 months for that. It's really very hard to find now. If you are interested in a TA04-Pro or a TRF414, be sure to get no missing plastic parts, it's very important. This TA04-Pro is now composed at 80% of new parts. I just need to find new differentials because mine are a bit tired. You can notice that I have put a brushless combo, a 9 turns 3900 kV with its ESC. It's a combo from Surpass Hobby. I equally found its body, the last Honda NSX Raybrig 2002 available, just too lucky, and with its rims. I'm very happy to have found one. Look at this. So next time I would have a body to paint to complete the car. I hope to make a good job and see you guys. Bye bye.